So it's currently 12:35 a.m. in my country, and this is a chart of BTCUSD on 1 month time frame. So I want to show you something that you can flip your 10 account dollar to $2,000. That's the estimated take profit that I have just estimated. So I just decided to drop this video here just because in the recent entry where you're seeing that sell, I flipped an account and I caught that sale, and I'll be showing you the befores and after of that trade. So you can use this trade to get capital. You can use this trade to flip an account. I am not good at flipping accounts and I don't do account flipping, but if I see a good opportunity to flip or to turn a small account into a bigger one, I always do. Okay, so I want to show you that BTC is soon doing a very good move, or a very perfect move, that you can flip your account to a bigger one. I'll be giving you risk management strategies. I'll be giving you the whole analysis on how I'll be analyzing, and you'll be seeing it yourself. So the disclaimer is I'm not a financial advisor or a perfect or a trained forex trader. So I'm just giving this out according to what I've been through and according to my experience. So if you always like such videos, you can subscribe to this channel, you can like, you can comment for the algorithm to just push me out there for more people to watch my videos, and I'll begin dropping more videos just like this. Okay, so let's go to the chart so that okay, so this is the chart of BTC USD and I'm in the monthly time frame. Okay, so if you're to see this BTC USD, it has been buying ever since, doing what we call a breakout structure, breakout structure to the upside. Okay, so actually before I begin analyzing, I use a strategy called SMT. I'm not using SMC. To make it clear, I use SMT, which is supply and demand, okay, supply and demand. Where is the and demand? Then market structure, and top-down analysis. Okay, top-down analysis. So that's what I use. I don't use SMC because most people in my group, when they ask me, they always think I use SMC. But as you can see, this as I'm going to show you, this strategy is nearly, it looks like SMC, since most times we get the same entries, but I don't trade the other cause it was too hard for me to grasp and my brain is so dumb to catch that liquidity stuff. Okay, so as you see, the market has been doing breakout structures and breaking to the upside, so meaning this market is in an uptrend. So we expected the market to make a higher low, as it made a higher high. Okay, it made a higher high, after it made a higher high, after it made a higher low, then it made a higher high, then it made a higher low, then it made a higher high, then it made a higher low, it made another higher high, and then you expect it to make another higher low somewhere there. So where is it going to make the higher low? So where it's going to make the higher low, it's where we want to catch our move. Okay, so according to what I analyze, and according to how I analyze, and what I have been seeing, and what you can also see now, it's that the market always make a higher low near a a demand zone. Okay, it comes back near a demand zone. That's where it makes its higher low. So it made a higher low here where we can see there is a demand zone. It also retested this demand zone and made its higher low. So we expect this market to come back in here. And to make it precise, it's that this is the 1 month time frame, of which this is the only demand zone around. If it breaks down here like this, if it comes down here to retest this demand zone, meaning it would have changed character, so meaning it would have sold. Okay, so how are we going to catch our market? So after seeing this in the 1 month time frame, we go to the daily time frame. So in the 1 month time frame, we are always looking for the market structure, and we are looking for our demand zone. Okay, the demand and supply zones. Let me first remove this so that we should make our things look smart and easy to understand. Okay, so as we have seen that this is our demand zone in the monthly time frame, so we head over to the daily time frame so that we should see what's there. So in the daily time frame, we are here just to see, are there any other demand zones? Are there any other demand zones in this monthly demand zone? Okay, so as you can see, there is this small demand zone here. There is also another demand zone here. Okay, there is also another demand zone here. So checking out these two demand zones, so we also head over to 4 hour to also refine our demand zones. So why are we doing this refining? So we are refining our strategy so that we should get a smaller stop loss, and we should have a big take profit, so that we should have a big RR. You know, for me, for those people that are in my group, you also know the small RRs, the small risk to rewards make me sick. The 1 2s, the 1 to 3s. I'm a guy that hits 1 to 7, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. So those are the RRRs, the risk to rewards I like. Those are the risk rewards that makes me feel like a trader. Okay, so as we can see here in the 4 hour, we have this small order block, or the small supply, the small demand zone. And also in here we also have this, as we are also having this, so we take both of them at once. Okay, then what are we waiting for? So we are waiting for the market to come here. Let me first mark this as our last low, make it red to make things precise, and I also mark this as our last high. So what are we waiting for? So we are waiting for to enter from this zone, but we are not going to enter aggressively. So when I say aggressively, so I mean when market comes here, so you just enter without any confirmation. No, so I always like entering in this way. So when market reaches here, when market reaches this zone, I always go into the 15-minute time frame, so that I want to see the market reach here in the 15-minute time frame. It makes an upward move, leaving a fair value gap, so that it comes back to retest it. Then that's where I enter from, targeting the last high. of which when I use this kind of entry, I will be risking small but taking a big risk to reward. So this is where you will be able to flip your account from a smaller account into a bigger account. So the market may do that. It may come, it makes a little fair value gap, then it comes back to retest it, and this move should be in the 15 minutes, so you must monitor it from the 15-minute time frame. So when it comes back to retest it, then it will go up, or it can come here, it makes a little fair value gap, tries to retest it, goes up again, sweeping this inducement, okay, then it comes down again, it takes you out, that will be fine. It comes, makes another fair value gap, retests it, then it goes. So what's this what am I trying to show you? I'm trying to show you that you should prepare your account to be big enough to trade this move, or it might be at least $30 or $40, so that you can always risk $10 on each move, since the market may take you out before it makes the real move. So after the market taking you out for the first time, you can enter again with the remaining balance. So you should always place your stop loss, at least risking a small amount of your account, so that you should remain with some money to risk again in case of the market takes you out. Okay, so another possible move is that the market may come down here, it goes up, it comes down, retests there, then it goes. It may break through this order block, then it uses this order block, okay, then after coming here, it may actually even retest this order block, it comes down and takes you out, then makes another fair value gap, it comes back and retests it, then it goes up, okay, it goes directly up to our last high. So you should be conscious, you should take your trades as conscious as possible. So I like taking trades from BTC since it's good at position trading, and I always place my trades in that kind. Okay, so that's it about BTCUSD. So that's what BTC is going to do next, or that's what I'm trying to anticipate that BTCUSD is going to do next. So if you're interested in such content, you can subscribe to my channel, or if you're interested in being taught by me or learning from me, you can join using the link in my description. We have a group called the Market Hive, where we teach people. Per now it's free, we just learn from each other. I just want to teach. So if you want to learn from me, you can join us in the Market Hive. Okay, so I wish you luck with this trade. Take it with consciousness. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just giving you my perception and my analysis so that you can pass it through and see how to take this trade. I will see you later when this trade hits TP.